Morning everyone, welcome to this video. Today I am going to explain next part of chapter 2. The topic is communicable diseases. In previous part I already explained you about health and hygiene, types of disease and about the non-communicable disease. In today's topic we will learn about communicable diseases. So first, what is communicable diseases? Communicable disease are caused by germs or microbes which pass from a sick person to a healthy person. As in non-communicable disease, we learned that the diseases that cause due to deficiency, and the communicable disease that are caused due to germs or microbes. These diseases include like malaria, common cold, chickenpox, tuberculosis, your coronavirus. In today's condition, the whole world is suffering from the COVID-19. What are germs? They are tiny microorganisms that causes a disease in plants or animals. Germs are found everywhere. Germs सब जगह होते हैं. They grow very rapidly और ये बहुत fast grow करते हैं. Thus they spread very fast and cause innumerable disease. क्योंकि आपको अच्छी तरह से पता होगा आज की कंडीशन में यू कैन सी कोरोना वायरस कितनी फास्टली एक पर्सन से दूसरे पर्सन को फैल रहा है, स्प्रेड हो रहा है और सबको संक्रमित करता जा रहा है. दे कैन एंटर अवर बॉडी थ्रू इंसेक्ट बाइट, इन्फेक्टेड और इम्प्योर फूड, वाटर, एयर और इवन अ कट ऑन अवर बॉडी. So these are called germs. Germs are mainly of 4 types. One is bacteria, one is fungi, protozoa, virus. So one by one we will learn about these diseases and I will show you a picture of these germs also. Bacteria. They cause diseases like tuberculosis, plague, pneumonia, typhoid. Tuberculosis can spread from one person to another through air also. If an infected person sneezes or cough, then it can be spread to a nearby person easily. So these are the disease that can spread from one person to another person. These are caused by bacteria. I can show you the picture of bacteria. These are the very small microorganisms, cannot be seen by naked eye. आप अपनी आँख से उसे नहीं देख सकते हैं. That's why these are called microorganisms. But ये आपके फूड में हो सकते हैं, आपके एनवायरमेंट में प्रेजेंट हो सकते हैं. Now next is फंगी. आपने सुना होगा फंगल इन्फेक्शन के बारे में. आपके स्किन में रिंगवॉर्म, एथलीट फूड, जॉकेज ऐसी जो प्रॉब्लम होती है इज जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ फंगी. दिस इज प्लांट फंगी एंड इफ इन एनिमल और इन ह्यूमन फंगल इन्फेक्शन कैन बी लाइक दिस. नाउ द नेक्स्ट germ is protozoans. These are mainly found in water, marine environment. They are responsible for amoebic dysentery and malaria. Amoebic dysentery is caused due to infected water and food. And malaria is caused by Plasmodium parasite, that is protozoan, that is spread by a female Anopheles mosquito bite. So let me show you some pictures of protozoans. These are some pictures of protozoans that can be found in your water body, in human, that can be transmitted from, just like in malaria case, a mosquito is a carrier for it, causing malaria. It is a life-threatening disease. Now the last germ is virus. In today's condition, you all are aware about the virus. The coronavirus is spreading very rapidly. It's a non-living. Let me tell you, when it is without living cell, it is non-living. But when it found a human or a carrier, it spread, it's multiply very rapidly. They cause disease like cholera, chickenpox, cold, flu, polio, measles, and COVID-19, coronavirus, etc. I can show you the picture. This is a coronavirus. I'm showing you. These are the picture of virus. These can be spread when a person sneezes, an infected person sneezes, and it can be spread to a nearby person. That's why government given guideline to stay away from infected person or maintain social distancing. It can also live in air for some time and in some material for some time. That's why if you will touch infected material, then also you can infected by this virus. That's why so many guidelines are there to keep you away from this coronavirus. Stay home, stay healthy, and maintain distance from the person, because its symptom is coming after 14 days. It's taking time for symptoms. So that's why government locked down you at home to stay away from the infected environment. So students, is it okay? Understand what is virus? Now we will learn about different ways by which communicable diseases can spread. First, by direct contact with the infected person or a thing used by him and can spread disease. Through air, when sick person sneezes or cough, it releases many germs in the air. When this infected air is breathed in by healthy person, it can also catch the infection. This is what is correct in the condition of coronavirus. Or you can, if you are contacting a infected person, then it can also be spread. Other germs also can be infected by a contact. Insect bite, I given you example of malaria already. Insect bite like mosquito spread so many diseases like malaria, dengue, yellow fever. When the mosquito bite a person suffering from malaria, it sucks his blood and becomes a carrier of germs spread in the healthy person. Next is through the infected food and water. Just like amoebic dysentery जो है आपको food और water, infected food and water से आपको फैलती है. When food and water are stored in clean, healthy or hygienic condition, it becomes not stored. Sorry, you can check it. When food and water are not stored in clean, healthy or hygienic condition. It becomes impure or infected. When this unhygienic food and water is consumed by a healthy person, he can become ill, or it may lead to serious disease like cholera, typhoid, jaundice, amoebic dysentery, etc. Through wounds and cuts. आपने सुना होगा कि अगर आपका कोई कहीं कट हो जाता है तो आपको टेटनस का इंजेक्शन लगाना चाहिए. Why? Because it's just because of germs. Germs can enter your body through open wounds or cuts. Therefore, walking barefoot or leaving wounds uncovered. अगर आपके घाव जो है वो uncovered आप रखेंगे तो आपके लिए डेंजरस हो सकते हैं, क्योंकि उसमें आपके जर्म्स एंटर कर सकते हैं और आपकी बॉडी में, आपके जो बॉडी में एंटर करके वो आपके घाव को और खराब कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल टेटनस में स्प्रेड थ्रू वॉन्ड्स. इवन आपको अपनी बॉडी का वो पार्ट कट भी करना पड़ सकता है अगर आप उसको, वो जर्म्स उसमें ज़्यादा हो जाते हैं. सो थैंक यू स्टूडेंट. स्टे होम, स्टे सेफ, कीप डूइंग योर वर्क. I will continue with next part of this chapter. We will discuss about the measures should we take to stay away from these diseases. What are the different type of vaccines? We will learn about the vaccination also. So, thank you student.